Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm writing out names. All of the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you'd like free calligraphy practice guides, head over to snowberrydesignco.com/subscribe and sign up for my newsletter. Thanks again for watching. Bye!